Namaste friends, in today's yoga session, myself Amol from Yoga with Music by Amol. So today's morning session, we will learn about how to do squats. And the squat is very basic but very strong exercise for your lower limbs, basically for your glutes, hamstring, calves and the toes area. So begin with the squats. So who can do this squat? So for both men and women, it is a very good exercise as a squat. For women especially, to have a balance of hormonal imbalance, in some cases like PCOD, PCOS, to them this squat is very good. The women who having or girls who having a lower body fat accumulation, to them also the squat is very good exercise. For men who want to reduce the belly fat, also to tone their lower thighs, calves, to them also it is very good exercise. So the best part for this exercise, you need not to have any instruments, only you need to get up and ready for the squats. So if anyone asks how much squats I can do per day, if you are the beginner, I think 40 to 50 squats you can do in the 3 sets. So like 15, 15, 20, like this set you can start with. So there are 2 types of squats. So we first will begin with the normal squats. So for normal squats, friend, you have to stand by having a distance between 1.5 feet between your 2 toes. So I will stand like this and keep your hand at your chest level below the chin, and slowly you can sit to the 90 degree. Okay, and remember your knees should be the back side of your toes. So from the side view, if you see, it look like this. So when you come to the sitting position, you feel it is you sitting on the imaginary chair and get up. Sit and get up. So when you sit, you're stretching on your hamstring as well as your glute muscle. So to begin with, we'll start with, okay, take this position and have a gaze in front of you. Remember, your back should be in the straight position, and slowly take the squats. You will get good stretch in your glute, hamstring muscle, as well as your calves and your ankle area. Most of the people not able to hold at a sitting 90 degree position. So to them, you need to gradually practice for that. So I will show you again from the side angle. And remember, when you're going back, this hip area you have to take gradually to the back, and then try to keep your knees below your toes area. So again I will show you. Yes, so this is called as a normal squats, and you can perform it daily basis for 50 times. So now I will tell you another variation in the squats, which is called as sumo squat, which is the variation. So sumo squats basically is for glute and hamstring. So you have to take your toes apart with a sufficient distance and keep your toes outside, protruded outside your toes front area, and then you can keep your hand opposite to each shoulder and come down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you're doing these squats, come to this position and try to have this kind of arc in your leg muscle, where it gives a good stretch at your hamstring and your glute muscle. So again I will do the same sumo squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this way you can push yourself for 50 to 20 sumo squats. So the squat basically give you a good exercise for your whole body, especially for your core as well as the lower leg. So friends, in today's session, the squat we have learned where no requirement, even you can do with the only toes, no need to have a shoes in your foot, because basically your body should have a balanced weight on your both legs. So remember, you do with the proper balancing your body, so you can have a uniform pressure on your whole leg area. So thank you so much watching for me on the squats area. Yesterday also we discussed with our lunges, and today we discuss about the squat, which is second exercise for your lower body. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Also like to subscribe, share and comment Yoga with Music by Amol.